How to install PDF Reader application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can install PDF Reader application. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Play Store in your mobile device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for PDF Reader. Tap on the first option on your device, that is PDF Reader. Now, there's an install button, tap on it. If you want to view its ratings and reviews, you can scroll through it and view all of its review. To install it, tap on install button and depending upon your internet connection, it will take some time to download the application. Once the download is complete, you can open it up and then set it up in your device. That's it. That's how you can install PDF Reader application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.